Hey guys, what's going on? So it's AMAR from Hillyard. Doing another review today. Not exactly on tires, but on some products that I use every day. So WD-40, which is world famous, versus the Kleen Flo Honey Goo. Right off the bat, let's get down to it. Everybody in the world knows about WD-40. I'm sure you've seen all the WD-40 hacks online. Everybody's used WD-40 a million ways. It's world famous. It's a brand that everybody knows. Stops squeaks, cleans and protects, loosens rusted parts, frees sticky mechanisms, drives out moisture. That's WD-40. Now Kleen Flo, which is a new product that Kleen Flo sent me. So Kleen Flo, it's a honey of a lube, honey goo, takes the sting out of rust. So right off the bat, let's get down to some major issues. Not issues, but things I like. So honey goo, I like using honey goo right off the bat because the can looks way better. The can reminds me of A&W products. It's got nice pictures on there. It's got very nice logos. It's very friendly looking, nice cartoons, earth friendly, and also looks like, you know, it looks like an ad out of an old 1970s diner or newspaper article. So it's really got that kind of retro throwback. We're opposed to WD-40, which when you look at WD-40, it looks like you're going to go to work, you're going to do something hardcore, you're working on some really rusty, crappy parts. It almost, WD-40 makes you feel dirty, then you're automatically going to go do really dirty, grungy work. Where honey goo has got a very nice, subtle name, appealing can, and it looks so clean that you don't even want to work. Now, also honey goo's got a very, very nice smell. It has got such a nice smell, I feel like I want to eat it. So one thing I really like about honey goo, it just smells like honey. It's, you know, it just smells really nice. But another product is I find that honey goo is more of a thicker product and it lasts a lot longer. For example, we'll do a little spray here of honey goo. Honey goo's right there. You can clearly see that it's kind of very thick and it's bubbling and it's kind of like an actual oil and grease, which is still sitting there, which will do WD-40 right beside it. And WD-40 is almost very watery based and automatically absorbs into the box already, where you can see that the Kleen Flo honey goo is still there, it's still thick, and it's almost like the WD-40 is a very thin oil. So definitely you can see if you use honey goo how thick it is, and it's going to penetrate all the rust, and also it doesn't wear away. Like if you use WD-40 on some wheel studs or some bolts, you use it once a couple of times, almost like it evaporates and it's gone. Where honey goo is very, very thick and it stays there a long time after, because I use it on my wheel balancer shafts and everything. So I'm definitely going to have to go with a pick of the Kleen Flo honey goo. Thanks for watching. My name is AMAR. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter at HILLYARD'S Rimlines, or my personal account at AMAR SIHRA. Thanks for watching, guys.